Hello, and welcome to Fantasy Sports Math League. Each week, you're going to be given an equation, multiple equations, in order to determine your score for your fantasy team. The good news is, the basic structure of each equation is going to be pretty similar. But we know that looking at this big, long equation can be pretty complicated, so we're here to give you a couple tips while you're solving your equations. First tip, step one, is understand your goal. You've got this long equation, got a lot of numbers. Your final goal here is going to be a mixed number, which is a whole number and a fraction together. So now that you understand what your goal is, you want to break your problem into pieces. You can see here, the problem is split out into these subgroups that have parentheses. That's going to make it easier to solve. Your third step is attempt to solve. You start out with your first piece of the problem right here. Maybe you can already do this by yourself. That would be great. But then we move on to our step 4, which is if you were able to solve it, you move on to your next piece of the problem and you repeat. If you aren't able to solve it, the goal is you move on, you try to solve the next thing, and then you come back and re-solve it afterwards. And after that stage, if you still can't understand it, try asking for help. Finally, step 5. Once you've got your final answer, review your work, make sure you understand how you got to where you are, and then check your answer. And that's it.